The biggest upgrade for the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup is finally confirmed. Qualcomm has unveiled the date for its next Snapdragon Tech Summit event. This is the event where the company unveils its flagship smartphone chipset every year. The Snapdragon Tech Summit 2023 event is where the company is expected to unveil the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor that will power most high-end smartphones in 2024. This is almost a few weeks earlier compared to their previous announcement. The Qualcomm Snapdragon Tech Summit 2023 will occur on October 24, 2023 in Maui, Hawaii. The event will conclude on October 26, 2023. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will be unveiled during this event, is expected to be used in some upcoming Galaxy S24 units early next year. Not just that, we have our second official news of the week, which is actually regarding the Unpacked event for the foldables. According to Samsung's president, it's going to take place for the first time in years in South Korea. Although no exact date was mentioned, but it's likely going to be July 25th or July 26th as per previous rumors. And also we have the exclusive camera details that Samsung is bringing the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Next year, the company is making the biggest change to zoom cameras over the past 3 years, according to a report from Galaxy Club. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly feature more zoom level for one of its telephoto cameras. After using a set of two 10-megapixels telephoto cameras, 3x and 10x for 3 years, Samsung will finally replace the 3x telephoto camera with a 5x on the S24 Ultra. While there have been reports of Samsung trying to implement a continuous zoom lens for telephoto cameras on its future phones, it looks like the company will stick to a combination of two telephoto cameras for the S24 Ultra. If we go back previous leaks, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset will also offer an enhanced graphical experience when coupled with the Adreno 750 GPU. The chipset is expected to be based on TSMC's 4nm process with N4P node for better efficiency. All in all, the 8 Gen 3 would be a great performance and efficiency booster for upcoming's 24 lineup. So, what are your expectations from upcoming 8 Gen 3? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Galaxy news, you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.